You will be amazed by this 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make all your adventures the best they can be in this well-equipped Atlas. Honest and uncomplicated, this well-built family hauler prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, third-row seat, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the safety and convenience your family deserves in this well-equipped Atlas. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.